I was born in Tánaiste Cross in Cork City, and our generation were the first to go to second level schooling, never mind third level. My parents never got that opportunity, so in our household, passion for education was always a constant and led to my interest in politics. And our family was a household where politics got talked about on a very regular basis. But also, it was a family that was really taken with sport. My dad was a well-known international boxer with Ireland, and of course he played Gaelic football and hurling with Jack Lynch and the great Christy Ring as well. And so when we joined our local club in Tánaiste Cross, Nima Rangers, that became a very big part of my upbringing. And to this very day, my sons play with Nima, my daughter and my wife, we go to watch them play regularly. We enjoy the camaraderie, the sense of community and family that club represents in our lives. The reason I'm involved in politics is I really want to make this country a better place, given our own background, the background of my parents, the importance of education. What has really kept me going throughout my lives is the idea that no child should be left behind. Every child in this country should get an opportunity to avail of an education and to fulfill their potential in life. Mary and I and our two sons and daughter, we spend a lot of time together, particularly at matches and the Nima Rangers, but also having good discussions about the issues of the day. They're all of an age where searching for a house is now on the agenda, and I understand the difficulties and challenges facing that generation in today's Ireland. That's why we need to do more about that and to get things moving on that front. They have different views and different perspectives as well, which is good for me to hear in terms of the perspectives of a younger generation in this country.